Hello everybody, my name is Phil. Welcome back to Miranda Detailing, where we make satisfying detailing videos. So today's video is a follow-up on the Porsche Cayenne that we did about 8 weeks ago, and we used the new Turtlewax Hybrid Solutions wet wax. Now this vehicle is garage kept, and it was driven probably about 5 or 6 weeks out of that 8 weeks. Still, it has some light dirt and debris and junk from the road that's washed up on it, but the owner is extremely happy with it and even noticed the difference after we used this product. It has stayed cleaner longer and it still retains its gloss. Let's go ahead, wash the vehicle. We'll see how the beading and the sheeting looks, and we're just going to rinse it first and see what the beading is like, and then we'll wash it, and then we'll reapply another layer of the wet wax. So here's the beading after its initial wash and rinsing. So you see that it sheets away really well and leaves only minimal beads on the paint. So let's get to drying it. So let me just show you down here as well. It holds its beading really well. It breaks away a little bit down there, but that's to be expected because that's where it gets the brunt of grime and junk from the road. But it held beading all the way up to here, so that looks really nice. So good durability. So let's apply another layer. So we're going to shake the product up. Excellent. And let's apply it. Just one spray. Wow, that dries up so nice. And we're using these new towels that we purchased on Amazon. I'll put a link to them down below and I'll review them later. How does it feel?
Really good, really slick.
Seems to be drying really well too. Wow, that gloss is awesome. That's nice. So we're going to let my wife do all the work here as I film.
Mm-hmm. About right.
All right. So another perfect place to use the wet wax is in the door jambs. So the Porsche here, I don't know why it's designed like this, but when you open this hatch, everything just gets drenched back here. So the rear bumper area goes a little bit into the inside of the vehicle, and the entire jamb of the back hatch here is just completely soaked. So we can make it easier to dry by using a couple of spritzes of the wet wax. So use it on a towel that is not a dedicated exterior towel, because you're going to get some junk on your towel in the jamb here. But simply wipe it down with the wet wax on all the surfaces. Make sure to get all these little hard to reach areas here as well, because they'll beat up water and it'll make it so much easier to dry later on. All right, so that's looking really nice. I'm still going to get some drippage because things are still kind of dripping out of all the cracks and crevices, but you get the idea. Do this and it'll be so much easier to dry next time. So now when we close the hatch, some water does drip out. Now you can use the wet wax if you want, or you can use the new quick detailer. So we're going to try that out, because this is designed to clean up any smudges or any dripping, anything like that. There's some here as well from when we opened the hatch. We actually made a whole mess all along the side here. So it acts as a drying aid as well. And it's a 3-in-1 detailer, so you can use it like a waterless wash, a quick detailer, a spray wax, a touch-up spray. And you can use it on the paint, plastic, rubber, the glass, everything. And it just adds on another little layer of protection on top of the wet wax. So it looks like we missed the entire front bumper lower grille part. So we're going to use the 3-in-1 quick detailer on the entire front end and grille. Whoops.
Ooh, it does good on this plastic.
Yeah.
Oh, it smells awesome.
All right, guys, that's going to do it for the Porsche Cayenne. So we are very happy with the new product. So it had a foundation layer of the Hybrid Solutions wet wax, and as you saw, when we were just rinsing it, it was already beading and sheeting like crazy. So after we washed it with the shampoo, you notice that it killed the beading down, but the sheeting was still really, really nice. So it actually sheets all the water off and leaves only a few beads on there, so it's easier to dry. So we put another layer of the wet wax, and we also used the new 3-in-1 quick detailer. So any drips, any smudges, anything that we may have missed, you can still use the wet wax if you want, or you can switch over to the new quick detailer, mop up any of those little drips and smudges on the paint. So overall, we are really happy with these new products. So guys, if you want to pick up these products, I have links down below, so definitely go give them a try for yourself and let me know what you think. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, like it, share with others who may enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe and click that bell. That way you get notifications each time our videos drop each week and you don't miss stuff. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time. Have a safe week. Take care.